Hey guys, welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are right now. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I will share with you guys with bus bar installation. So, identify what is your observations and let's comment or what is your recommendation. So, I will share two slides and then let me see. And some of you guys, I know you can catch easily if you are experienced. Based on this presentation, I will show you two slides only, very short informations that just we want to see. It's some of you that you can notice and observe this installation.
What is life to offer me tonight? Grow. What's not the what's to beyond the biting cold? This is the basic. This is the basic. Yes. Enjoy, 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 and watch.
So this is the example of switchboard or ringman unit. Okay, and let me know your comment. This installation of the bus bar. So this is our bus bar connections. Okay, so what did you see and what is your observation during this photos during this installation? And then another slide. So this is a closer look of our bus bar connections. So guys, if you are ready, and let me know your comment and just type in that comment in my comment options there, and what is your observation. It's a simple observation that you can easily identify. Maybe some of you guys didn't notice, but this is needs to be like a practicing. If you are construction personnel, and also especially you are quality, you need to identify based on this installation. All right. So thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe and see you and bye bye.